Cauliflower should not be allowed to be this good. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen, where sometimes we do it keto, sometimes we do it low carb, but we always do it delicious. In this video, we're going to be making my perfect keto-friendly cauliflower potato salad using my potato-fied cauliflower as a base. Now, if you haven't made my potato-fied cauliflower, just click on the link above. That's going to be what we use to make this delicious, refreshing potato salad. So let's get to it. Now, once you've had your potato-fied cauliflower made, this recipe goes together quick and easy. So let's go over the ingredients now. We've got 1.5 pounds of my potato-fied cauliflower. We've got 2 boiled eggs chopped up. We've got 1/4 cup of finely diced celery. We've got 2 tablespoons of finely diced sweet onion. And we've got 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes. Now, if you have fresh parsley, use 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. I didn't happen to have fresh parsley on hand, so I used what I had available. For the dressing, we have 1/2 cup of my homemade mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of my Cajun seasoning. We're going to start off by making the dressing first, so let's get started. Next, we'll take our potato-fied cauliflower, eggs, onions, celery, and parsley, and gently combine them together in the bowl. Now, all that's left to do is to add our dressing and gently combine that with the rest of the ingredients. Now, you're going to want to be tempted and serve this right away, but it's actually going to be a lot better if you just let all this sit in the refrigerator for a couple hours. Even though I did use chilled potato-fied cauliflower, I'm going to go ahead and take a little taste test just to see where we're at. Usually, you may have to add a little bit more salt afterwards. You really won't know until after this is spent a couple hours in the refrigerator. Oh, wow. That is so good. We're going to go ahead and get a lid on this and get it into the refrigerator, and I'll see you in a couple hours. It's been about 3 hours, and I took a little test, and it needed just about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of the Cajun seasoning. And guys, we nailed this. This potato salad is now just crying out for a burger. I don't know what to do because I just had a burger yesterday. Help me, guys. Help me. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you get a chance to make this recipe in your kitchen. If you found this recipe useful, hit the like button. And if you want to get more content, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified every time I drop a new recipe video. And if you want something good to go along with this potato salad, click that link. Catch you on the next one.